Hola, buen vida a todos, and this is Benji Alvarez. Today we have a topic and it's all about pageants. So marami sa inyo yung nagtatanong, para saan ba itong mga pageants na ito? So para sa akin isang simpleng sagot, kung sino yung pinaka. So when we talk about pinaka, ang daming aspeto na nakapalibot dito. Dahil ang pageant ay actually part na ng buhay nating mga Pilipino at sa bawat sulok ng ating bansa, ito ay ginaganap at sineselebrate. Para sa araw na ito, we have a lot of topics and we will be breaking them down to 4 topics. So for letter A, it's the background. Dito tatalakayin ko about how I started with pageantry. And for letter B, it is all about the preparations, kung paano natin hopefully ipapanalo yung titulo. And letter C, it's all about the people. And for letter D, all about the events and the competition proper. So for letter E, isang malaki at importanteng aspeto, yung intellect. For letter F, we also have victory. So dito natin tatalakayin, how can you deal with your victory? Meron din tayong better luck next time. And for the last part, in general, the pageant enthusiast. So this is the part 1 of our 4 parts series of video regarding pageants. And we will be starting off with letter A, which is the background. It all started nung sa school. Lahat ng mga levels at saka sections, ini-invite nila dapat magkaroon ng kahit isa or dalawang representative. At the time when I was very young, at 14 years fresh, the way that I can describe myself at the time was I was very curious, then at the same time very adventurous. So nung time na yon, way back kasi nung elementary ako, I was part of the student government. So nung time na yun, I was devouring as much knowledge that I could. And one of the things that really made me curious is pageant. So paano ba sineselebrate or ginagawa itong mga pageant na to? That's why I said yes. Wala pa akong idea anything about pageant, kung paano ba ito nag-work and all that stuff. So nung time na yun, iniisip ko kasi, maybe tataas yung grade ko or kung papala rin na kami ang mananalo, it's gonna be a huge honor, unlocking some skills and some experience. Let's now go to letter B, which is the preparations. So if you may ask, ano ba tong body check? So body check, it means that you have to be physically prepared when it comes to joining pageants. So you have to maintain a physically fit body. So it's one of the aspects wherein the judges will give you score. And if you have good physical attributes, so it really doesn't matter if you have a different body type as long as you are healthy. You're actually the one that they are looking for. Kasi iba-iba yung mga pageants. Merong mga pageants kasi they're leaning towards yung mga mapayat, mga matangkad. Meron din yung mga more normal looking na pangangatawan. So, yung face check, ano ba tong face check? Yung face check is actually having an awareness when it comes to the structure of your face. So, kung mahaba ba yung face natin, kung bilog ba yung face natin. Nung nagpa-pageant ako, yung concern ko was I have a textured skin, which is actually normal. And I was blessed enough to have different creatives like the makeup artists and handlers na magagaling talaga mag-groom. So, doon ko din natutunan eventually yung mga tips and tricks on how to make myself look presentable. Also for the face check. So very important, you have to know the basic knowledge regarding grooming. So hindi naman kailangan na sobrang makapal yung makeup. Dapat yung medyo enhancement lang ng ating mga facial feature. So malinis lang at saka mukhang maaliwalas. Yun lang yung importante. So the third is mind check. Ano ba tong mind check? So mind check is actually getting ready for judgments. So when I started, I actually braced myself for any judgments or kung ano man yung mga iisipin ng tao. So anong time na yun, I was just getting ready for the whole experience. Wala na akong pakialam kung ano yung sasabihin ng mga tao regarding sa naging decision ko of joining a pageant. Yung importante kasi sa akin is yung knowledge and the experience that I will gain. And that is something na if you keep yourself open, that is very rewarding. Kasi people would really not know anything about the thing, any experience, if they have not tried it themselves. So if you're having second thoughts of joining a pageant just because you are scared of being judged, so number 1, for you to win, you really have to be judged. And second one, people who are rooting for you to win, they will just support and they will be happy kung ano yung magiging achievements mo. So yung wardrobe, it is very important. So you have to know kung ano yung mga exposures na kakailanganin and you have to identify kung sino yung mga important people who would help you. Like for example, for clothes that you need, may mga different designer tayo who have different fortes or expertise. So ito yung mga tao na kailangan nating puntahan or ask help from in order for us to look and fit the bill. So, test, shoot. This is a form of activity na kailangan natin i-undergo kasi dito natin matetest kung ano yung mga skills na meron tayo when it comes to posing. How we move in front of the camera, kung maganda ba yung register ng face natin, kung anong angle yung mas may malaking impact. Try things out, go for test shoots or fun shoot. Yung be in front of a camera in general and just have fun. So the pasarela or the walk, I started not knowing anything how to perform on stage, but I was really blessed. Growing up, meron akong mga kuya, meron akong mga handlers na nagturo sa akin on how I can effectively make the clothes look good. Paano ba ako magpapa-impress sa mga judges? Most importantly, yung eye contact. Eyes don't lie. So, budget. Very important talaga yung budget. So, we have to identify kung hanggang saan talaga tayo pwede. So, for example, sa grooming, kung ang afford lang natin is yung mga budget-friendly na mga gamit, like gel, wax, or whatever, or yung mga skin tint, foundation, concealer. Actually, very basic lang naman talaga sa mga, for men, yung grooming. Pero like, for female, grabe din talaga yung mga investments nila. So, and if kailangan mo ng gamit when it comes to clothing, we have to identify if yung mga designers, they are willing to provide clothes for you for free, or you have to spend money in order for these designers to make clothes for you for the pageant. Nandun na din yung mga gastos when it comes sa pamasahe, yung mga gastos na syempre may mga tao din tayo who are with us sa ating pageant journey, so hindi mawawala sa ating mga Pinoy, mahilig tayong kumain. So kahit nandyan pa yung sabihin natin, diet ako and all that, pero food is very important. I can really attest to that. So yung failure, I will talk about it later. But for now, yeah, failure is hard to deal with, but it is manageable. So victory is one of the things that we have to dive deep. And one of the sensitive things also when it comes to pageantry, pero kailangan talaga natin to talk about. So for the time management, if you are a student, please make sure that you are attending your academics. And I'm sure maraming pageants talaga ginaganap sa gabi. So there are times that it really ends really late. And lastly, determination. We have to identify the whys and the reasons kung bakit natin gustong manalo or even to just join pageants. So we have to identify kung ano yung mga bagay na yun in order for us to have the strength and the bravery to push for this endeavor.